Okay, quick demo to show you why it's not going to be that hard or that long to color correct images in Photoshop using the batch process. What you're seeing on screen now is a folder that has some of the necklaces. Some I've color corrected manually, some are not. You can see the differences. I went ahead and made a copy of the ones that I haven't and put them in this batch folder. You can see they're all gray. I also went ahead and created an output folder to store the batched images so we can compare and contrast later. Going back, you can see that it looks a lot better than what's currently online. Let's get that halved so you can see it a little better. Yeah, white versus gray. It's pretty remarkable. So let's close this. We're going to create an action. So I've already started one. I've called it Mrs. B. I'm going to hit the record button, and we're going to start the process as if we're going to do these manually. I'm just going to pick one image. Oh wait, I need to set that background layer so we can make adjustments to it. Image, adjustments, hit levels. One thing to notice here is that this slider integrates all the white. This one's all the black, and you can see that there's a bit of gap between what is white and what's being displayed. So we're going to pick this selector, any old point on there. So okay, and you can see that it's gotten considerably better. Whites are a lot whiter. We can maintain that shadow for contrast and depth of field. We've got a little bit of hot spot here, but we can go back and adjust that later. Considerably a much better image. To continue the batch process, we're going to save it for the web. Bring this over. It's at the maximum output that Photoshop allows for JPEG. Not bad. Hit save and hit save, and then we're going to stop the batch. Now close this. We don't care because we're going to batch them all anyway. File, automate, batch. The action is Mrs. B. The source folder is the batch folder. The output folder is that. We're gonna suppress some dialogues. Hit OK. Should have maybe suppressed some other dialogues. And there you go. Now, let's look at what we got here. Necklaces. Here's the output folder. The other really cool thing is we've got the PSDs, the Photoshop sources, so we can make adjustments to those. And right away you can see that there are some great improvements in the before and afters. That versus that. And this process would have been a little, and we can streamline the batch command so that it'll suppress those dialogues. It'll just chew through the folder without any interaction. Hope that helps. Love you. Bye.